Features of Java programming. Introduction. The primary objective of Java programming language creations was to make it portable, simple and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in popularity of this language. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzword. The Java features are also called as the Java buzzword. The buzzwords are object-oriented, simple, secure, platform-independent, robust, portable, architectural, and then dynamic, interpreted, high-performance, multi-threaded, distributed. Now we are going to see one by one. Simple and familiar. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun, Java language is simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, for example, explicit pointer, operator overloading, etc. Second one, compiler and then interpreted. Usually a computer language can either compiled or interpreted. Java integrates the power of compiled language with the flexibility of interpreted languages. Java compiler compiles the Java source code into a bytecode. Java virtual machine then executes this bytecode, which is executable on many operating systems and is portable. Now we are going to see how working the Java virtual machine. The Java compiler never converts the source code to machine code like that of the C or C++ compiler. Instead, it converts the source code into intermediate code called the bytecode. And this bytecode is further translated to machine dependent by another layer of the software called Java virtual machine. Therefore, Java virtual machine can execute bytecode on any platform or OS on which it present, regardless of the fact that on which machine the bytecode was generated. Next one, platform independent. Platform independent means a program compiled one machine can be executed on any machine in the world without any change. Java achieves platform independence by using the concept of bytecode. Write once, run anywhere. Next one, portable. Java is portable refers to the standard edition version. The portability actually comes from architectural neutrality. In Java, the size of the primitive data types is machine independent. So these provisions make the Java programs portable among different platforms such as Windows, Unix, Solaris and Mac. Architectural neutral. Bytecode is not dependent on any machine architecture and Java virtual machine can easily translate bytecode into a machine specific code. These features is very useful when we develop applets or downloaded applications from the internet. In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes for memory for 64-bit architecture. However, it occupies 4 bytes of memory for the both 32 and 64-bit architecture in Java. Next one, object-oriented. Java strongly supports the concept of object-oriented programming, due to which it is called a pure object-oriented language. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates the both data and behavior. Java supports major object-oriented programming features like encapsulation, abstraction, and inheritance. For example, we cannot develop an executable program in Java without making use of the class. This indicates that Java very strictly applies the principle of encapsulation. Next one, robust. Java is robust as it is capable of handling runtime errors, supports automatic garbage collections and exception handling, and avoids explicit pointer concept. Java is garbage collected language. Java Virtual Machine automatically deallocates the memory blocks, and programmers do not have to worry about deleting the memory manually as in case of C or C++. Java also provides the concept of exception handling, which identifies the runtime errors and eliminates them. Next one, secure. Security is the important issue for any programming language as there is the threat of malicious activities and viruses. Java supports access modifier to check memory access and also ensure that no virus enter in applet. Program run in virtual machine sandbox, a separate environment that allows user to execute their applications without affecting the underlying system. It has a bytecode verifier that checks the code fragments for any illegal code that violate the access right. Distributed. In Java, we can split program into many parts and store these parts on different computers. A Java programmer sitting on a machine can access another program running on the another machine. This features in Java gives the advantage of distributed programming, which is very helpful when we develop large projects. Java helps us to achieve this by providing the concept of RMI, remote method invocation, and EJB, Enterprise Java Beans. It also enables multiple programmers at many locations to work together on single project. Next one is multi-threaded and interactive. A thread is an independent path of execution within a program. Executing concurrently, multi-threaded means handling multiple tasks simultaneously or executing multiple portions of the same program in parallel. The code of Java is divided into smaller parts and Java executes them in sequential and timely manner. The advantage is it shares a common memory area and there is a decreased cost of maintenance. Also, it is time saving. Next one is the high performance. Java provides high performance with the use of the JIT, just-in-time compiler, in which the compiler compiles the code on demand basis, that is, it compiles only that method which is being called. This saves time and makes it more efficient. Bytecode generated by the Java compiler are highly optimized, so Java Virtual Machine can execute them much faster. Dynamic and extensible. Java is dynamic and extensible means with the help of OOPs we can add classes and add new methods to classes, creating new classes through subclasses. This makes it easier for us to expand our own classes and even modify them. Java gives the facility of dynamically linking new classes, libraries, methods, and objects. It is highly dynamic as it can adapt to its evolving environment. Summary. From the discussion, we can clearly understand how advanced Java features play a crucial role in making it so popular among users and developers. Thank you.
Welcome.